Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng, a Russian, a track called Switch. Switch it there. So, we're gonna jump straight to the one that you already dreamed, I said. So, let's get straight into it. Let's go. Big up Russian in the man, bad producer in the man. Legendary producer.
See my dog switch up, I put the switch for the Glock.
Yo, I like how you put in the cartel sampling of this. Hey, Rvssian, new garden in the iron testing. I think that's where that come from.
Hey, Rvssian. See my dog switch up, I put the switch for the Glock. When we pull up, everything get dropped. Hey. Senseless don't swap, we no take that. You have to know that.
So Rvssian I say, yo, seen dog switch up, so him put him switch on the Glock. Obviously it had a chip to make it everything race out. You see me? And then you have bad artist can jump in. No.
Just comes here a long time, mad. She bought the mallet and alien. I know all of my friend them brainless. I'm not touch the road down my stainless. Just straight Louis and a peerless.
Rvssian is here with the melody, dog. The melodies from Rvssian with the melodies. Senseless. Don't spot.
Just comes here a long time, mad. She bought the mallet and alien. I know all of my friend them brainless. I'm not touch the road down my stainless. Just straight Louis and a peerless. Come on, no dog, man, no business. Heading madder than a Bellevue patient. No can see a plan for the weekend. Cause you want some hood, come famous.
Yo, we can't see a plan for the weekend, dog. Me say they got gulag. Brother. That's the thing there. Yeah, can't see a plan for the weekend. That it. So she wants some hood cause she come and famous. You don't know, so the fame. At the cloud she look. At the cloud.
Just straight Louis and a peerless. Come on, no dog, man, no business. Heading madder than a Bellevue patient. No can see a plan for the weekend. Cause you want some hood, come famous. In the fuck up, bitch, whether or not she have to suck this beer.
You know fuck what?
Famous. In the fuck up, bitch, whether or
Me no fucked up, bitch. What him say?
cause you want some hood, come famous. In the fuck up, bitch, whether or not she have to suck this beer. But girl, they run the thing junkie. Me not just people, them a fuck with. Stop with the Glock, come bring us, me love this. Senseless duns, this half family bust this. Contracts in a trinity bad figure matches. Smoke up a dust, this psycho plus madness.
I'm a chat some lyrics to see you.
No can see a plan for the weekend. Cause you want some hood, come famous. In the fuck up, bitch, whether or not she have to suck this beer. But girl, they run the thing junkie. Me not just people, them a fuck with. Stop with the Glock, come bring us, me love this. Senseless duns, this half family bust this.
Senseless duns, this half a mil bust this.
Contracts in a trinity bad figure matches. More
Contract. Say my contract knockings and clappings. Say my send God Trinidad, aka Trinidad, we go bust this.
Senseless duns, this half family bust this. Contracts in a trinity bad figure matches.
Yeah.
More dust, this psycho plus madness. Cut boy, choke at the young now we act. See my dog switch up, I put the switch for the Glock. Gun man, put the chip on the Glock. When we pull up, everything get dropped. Hey. Senseless don't swap, we no take that.
Know that.
Just comes here a long time, mad. She bought the mallet and alien. I know all of my friend them brainless. I'm not touch the road down my stainless. Straight Louis and a peerless. Come on, no dog, man, no business. Heading madder than a Bellevue patient. No can see a plan for the weekend. Cause you want some hood, come famous. Rocky gang wild and we tameless.
Hey, no.
No. And a King Cam shoot that one. No, King Cam. I hate concussion, of course. You have hate concussion. Rvssian because myself. Yo, this bad. I like it. Nice and melodious. Big up Rvssian. Big up Rvssian. Big up Skeng as always. Some bad girl on the beast. Some bad bish in the vids. You don't know the thing go. Skeng is Skeng, bro. You can't take away what Skeng has already done on the business in a short space of time. Skeng there. So big up Erratic Gang them. Skeng is Skeng, bro. Sick collaboration. Like me say, sick collaboration. Rvssian collabs them always connect. Them always connect. No matter if I with Cartel or with any other artist him do collab with, them always connect. Whether him a do the behind the scene producing work of it, Rvssian is just Rvssian. Rvssian is fucking talented. Very, very talented. You see me? So once again, this one is on repeat for me. It's a nice, you know, them not kill up themselves in the video. The video compliment to what them a say. Money in the video, as you can see. Some bad car and some bikes and some hot girl and some, you see me? A hit song, brother, a hit song. You see me? So big up Rvssian Gang. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know. Big up the team behind the scene doing this one as well. This one's really put together as you know. The beat is sick. Rvssian, big up yourself, the G. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. But anyway, dog, this is how I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoyed that one and I want to see more from your G, you don't know what to do already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And also like the video so other people can see the video. Don't be greedy. I didn't put it on YouTube for you alone. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Share it. Alright? Alright. So there we are. Look more.